We have Pretty in Pink, an old building, interchange, restaurant location, and some modern houses coming up here on the right side that make you think they're kind of like mausoleums, but the city of Boca sure has changed last 10 years or so. It's always been known for a really nice looking gaudy, I'll give you gaudy, house construction, but nothing along the scale of this. This is just plain huge. Some of these old house locations are going to go ahead and get mowed down soon, and more larger stuff will be put in. More huge stuff will be put in. That one's going to get photographed again. It's got a great big seahorse in the front yard, like a draft horse type seahorse. But you know what, even if you don't like these houses and you don't think they're super special, these older houses are built years ago are still here, mixed in with the new ones. The houses we used to think were so expensive have been replaced by ones even more expensive. It is nice that Boca does have quite a few nice parks intermixed in the middle of it all. This one has an exercise trail and fields for the kids to play games on, and little kids to play also. Coming up to 5th Avenue and 20th Street interchange with Northeast 5th Avenue that I'm on. Super neat. Strange intersection, but super neat.